Hello everyone. Today, we will explore popular laboratory information management systems, widely known as LIMS. We will specifically focus on understanding both proprietary and open source LIMS solutions in detail. Let's begin by examining the essential LIMS modules that are foundational for efficient lab operations. These core capabilities are crucial for managing various aspects of laboratory work effectively and smoothly. First, we have sample management, which is a critical function in any laboratory setting. This module meticulously tracks the registration, proper labeling, and eventual disposal of all samples. Next, workflow automation helps streamline laboratory processes and improve overall efficiency. It specifically streamlines testing steps, manages approvals, and guides usage decisions within the lab. Instrument integration is also vital for modern laboratories, connecting various analytical instruments. This feature allows for seamless data transfer from connected instruments, enhancing data accuracy and speed. Data management is another key module, providing a central repository for all laboratory information. It centralizes the storage of all structured lab data, ensuring easy access and robust security. Finally, reporting and dashboards offer critical insights into laboratory performance and results. This module generates certificates of analysis, KPIs, and various custom data views for analysis. Now, let's explore some of the major proprietary LIMS platforms available in the market. These systems are industry leaders, particularly in highly regulated laboratory environments. LabVantage is a prominent proprietary LIMS solution known for its comprehensive features. It is web native and has a strong focus on the pharmaceutical and biotech industries. Another significant platform is STARL, MS, recognized for its adaptability. STAR, LIMS is flexible and widely adopted in public health and government laboratories. Thermo Fisher LIMS offers a range of specialized solutions for various lab needs. This platform provides specialized solutions for bioanalysis and other industrial applications. Lastly, Labware LIMS is a highly configurable system with a significant global presence. It is known for its high configurability and extensive adoption across various industries worldwide. Let's examine the pros and cons of proprietary LIMS to understand their full implications. This involves balancing their robust features with some inherent challenges they present. When we look at the strengths, proprietary LIMS offers several significant advantages. They typically come with rich feature sets, providing extensive out-of-the-box functionality. Many proprietary systems also include vendor validation packages, which simplify compliance efforts. Users benefit from dedicated support teams, ensuring timely assistance and issue resolution. These systems are often designed for global scalability, supporting large multi-site laboratory operations. However, there are also notable limitations when considering proprietary LIMS platforms. A primary concern is the high license costs associated with these commercial software solutions. Labs can experience vendor lock-in, making it difficult and expensive to switch systems later. Upgrading proprietary LIMS can be complex, especially with significant customizations in place. Finally, customization options may be limited, potentially restricting unique laboratory workflow adjustments. Let us now turn our attention to some key open source LIMS solutions available today. These platforms offer flexible and often cost-effective alternatives for various laboratory needs. SENA. ITE is a prominent open source LIMS known for its modular design. It features a modular architecture and an active community, suitable for clinical and food safety labs. OpenELIS is another important open source option with a strong public health focus. This system has proven successful in supporting national public health programs across many regions. Baobab LIMS is specifically developed to address the unique requirements of biobanking. It is tailored for biobanking and managing long-term biological sample storage effectively. Lastly, eLab FTW combines electronic laboratory notebook functionality with LIMS features. This solution offers ELN functionality combined with LIMS features, particularly useful for academia. We will now explore the advantages and disadvantages of utilizing open source LIMS. This involves understanding their community-driven benefits versus their operational demands. Let's start by looking at the key advantages that open source LIMS provide. A significant benefit is the absence of license fees, resulting in a much lower entry cost. They are highly customizable, offering full access to the source code for tailored modifications. Open source LIMS often benefit from active, community-driven innovation and rapid development. Furthermore, they offer independence from vendor lock-in, giving labs more control. However, it's also important to consider the potential disadvantages of open source LIMS. One drawback is the limited commercial support available compared to proprietary systems. The validation burden falls entirely on the laboratory, requiring significant internal effort. Adopting open source LIMS often requires strong in-house IT expertise for successful implementation. Finally, there are sustainability risks for open source projects if community interest or funding declines. Let us explore the strategic process for selecting a laboratory information management system or LIMS, which is crucial for any lab. First, a thorough requirements analysis helps us define exactly what the laboratory needs from its new system. Next, we evaluate the industry fit to ensure the chosen LIMS aligns perfectly with specific sector demands and regulations. We then conduct a TCO or total cost of ownership analysis to understand all financial implications beyond initial purchase. Engaging all key stakeholders, from IT to end users, ensures the LIMS selection meets diverse organizational needs. Finally, a pilot implementation allows us to test the system in a real-world scenario before full deployment. Now, let's delve into key considerations like cost, support, and scalability for LIMS. These are crucial long-term success factors for any LIMS deployment in a laboratory. First, regarding cost aspects, there are distinct differences between system types. Proprietary LIMS typically involve high license fees, contributing to significant expenses. In contrast, open source LIMS generally feature much lower upfront costs, which is a major advantage. Ultimately, evaluating the total cost of ownership, or TCO, is crucial for an accurate financial picture. Moving on to support models, the availability and type of assistance vary greatly. Proprietary systems usually offer vendor service level agreements, ensuring structured support. Open source solutions, however, largely rely on community support, which can be less formal. The level of validation support also differs significantly between proprietary and open source options. Lastly, let's consider scalability, an important factor for future laboratory growth. Proprietary LIMS are often enterprise-ready, designed for large-scale, multi-site deployments. Open source scalability often depends heavily on the lab's in-house IT expertise and resources. Both types of systems require careful planning and future-proofing to accommodate evolving needs. Today, we will discuss how LIMS adoption varies significantly across different industries and sectors. It is vital to tailor our LIMS choice precisely to the unique requirements and challenges of each specific sector. Let us begin by examining the specific considerations for the pharmaceutical and biotechnology sector. In pharma and biotech, prioritizing regulatory compliance is absolutely paramount for any chosen LIMS. There is a strong preference here for proprietary LIMS due to their robust compliance features and support. Furthermore, vendor validation packages become critical tools to ensure the system meets all regulatory standards. It is also essential to ensure the LIMS offers global scalability for multi-site operations within these industries. The chosen system must be proven in multi-site rollouts to handle complex, distributed laboratory networks effectively. Seamless integration with enterprise resource planning, or ERP, and manufacturing execution systems, or MES, is crucial. Now, let us shift our focus to the unique needs of the public health sector for LIMS adoption. For public health, a primary focus is always on affordability, given the typical budget constraints in this sector. Consequently, there is a high adoption rate of open source LIMS solutions within public health organizations. Often, donor-funded support is available for implementing and maintaining open source LIMS in these settings. The LIMS must also effectively support large-scale national programs, managing widespread public health initiatives. This necessitates scalability to handle millions of samples, ensuring comprehensive tracking and reporting across the nation. Finally, interoperability with existing health databases is essential for seamless data exchange and public health surveillance. To summarize, let's review the key takeaways from our discussion on LIMS selection. These are the essential points to remember about choosing the right LIMS for your needs. Proprietary LIMS offer robust features, dedicated vendor support, and essential compliance for regulated industries. Open source LIMS provide great flexibility, significant cost savings, and benefit from community-driven innovation. Remember, core LIMS features include efficient sample management, workflow automation, and instrument integration. Selecting a LIMS requires a detailed requirements analysis and a thorough total cost of ownership evaluation. Your industry-specific needs will heavily influence the best choice between proprietary and open source solutions. Always consider cost, support, and scalability as critical factors for long-term LIMS success.